Don't kid yourself. Size matters a lot. Hey, Go Small, Live Large viewers, thanks for tuning in today. My name is Scott, your host, and I'm talking about the size of refrigerators and freezers in a Class B camper van. I am so fortunate to have a massive fridge and freezer in my Travato 59G. Let me show you this. So as you may be aware, the Travato 59G has a NorCold refrigerator and freezer combination. On the bottom here is the freezer, and on the top is the fridge. To give you a sense of how big this thing is, let me unload the contents and put it here on the table. Water. That's right. It's a half gallon. Fits in the door.
Can't have enough jams and jellies.
So that's the fridge. Let's move to the freezer. Costco size frozen vegetables. So when I say size matters, I'm not kidding. So, what's in your fridge? So, what's in your fridge? Would love to know. Comment, like, subscribe. Channel growth is going crazy. Really appreciate that. Made it to Atlanta today. Big story around that coming later this week. Just loving life in the Travato. Hope you're loving yours as well. Until we see you soon, I wish you to journey on.